Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Got two lights in from Hidden Harvest Grow Lights. You can see there's two of them there. They're packaged separately. Now Brad noticed on one of my videos that one was half lit. And I didn't send him that light yet. And he sent these anyway, so I will send him that in a little bit. But he was only supposed to send one, but I do believe in the conversation that I said I'm going to send it to you when I can afford to buy one. That way shipping and handling will be cheaper, but something like that. So I will have to get him the money for the other one. And that's cool. And he's doing a giveaway. Just to let you know, I think he's giving away like 15 of them for the holidays. I don't know, a lot of them. Just go over Hidden Harvest Grow Lights and see what you got to do to maybe win one of these 36 watts each. So that's amazing, and it's full spectrum of the sun. And he's been in the business for 30 some years. He got this rolling, I think, a year ago. Found somebody to make him his own light now. So full spectrum, Brad style, Hidden Harvest Grow Lights. I got 6 or 8 of them up there right now in the grow room. And now I got more. I'm so happy. Even in the wintertime, you can get your grow on. But right now I got a problem with the spider mites that comes in with your potting soil. And I got spray bottles coming in from eBay here pretty soon, so I'll be able to wipe them out. And that's it in a nutshell. Grow your own food indoors. Hidden Harvest Grow Lights.